Student, this is the second part video of auto transformer. First part I discuss about the two circuit, that is figure number 1 and figure number 2, and discuss about the difference between a transformer and a potential divider. And at last I discuss, that is the MMF in circuit here given, that is AB is equal to the MMF in the winding CB. Okay. Now next I discuss the volt ampere across AB are transferred by the transformer action to the load. Okay, volt ampere across AB are transferred to the load by means of transformer action. Okay, so first I write volt ampere across AB transfer by the transformer action to the load. Across, load here connected across BC. So transfer VA is nothing but VAB into I of AB, V of AB into I of AB. Here V of AB nothing but V1 minus V2, and I of AB here nothing but I1. Okay. Now the total input VA is nothing but total voltage input into total current, that is V1 into I1. Okay, that is V1 into I1. That is the equal to output VA. As we are taking, there is no losses and no impedance, leakage impedance drop, so that the total input VA equal to total output VA, that is nothing but V1 into I1. So transfer VA by input VA, the ratio of transfer VA to input VA is nothing but V1 minus V2 into I1 divided by V1 I1 cancel out, so that is equal to 1 minus V2 by V1. So V2 by V1 is K, so we can write 1 minus K. Remember that equation, that is transfer VA divided by input VA is nothing but 1 minus K. Okay, remember that equation. Out of input VA, that is V1 into I1, only VAB into I of AB, VAB into I of AB, that is equal to V1 minus V2 into I1 is transferred to the load by means of transformer action, and rest of VA transfer to the output by conduction. So conducted VA should be conducted VA is equal to input VA minus transfer VA. Okay, so that is equal to input VA is nothing but V1 I1 and transfer VA is V1 minus V2 into I1. So minus V1 minus V2 into I1. So V1 I1 minus V1 I1 plus V2 I1. Okay, so V1 I1 cancel out, that should be V2 into I1. Okay, so conducted VA is nothing but V2 into I1. So ratio of conducted VA divided by input VA is nothing but V2 I1 divided by input VA is V1 I1. So I1 cancel out, that is equal to V2 by V1. Okay, V2 by V1 is K is equal to K. So remember this equation, that is the conducted VA by input VA is equal to K, and the transfer VA to input VA is 1 minus K. These two equation is very, very important for auto transformer. Now we are neglecting the impedance drop, so we get the equation, that is transform power divided by input power, that is 1 minus K, and that is number 1. Number 2 is conducted power divided by input power, that is equal to only K, and inductively, number 3, inductively transfer power divided by total power is equal to high voltage minus low voltage divided by high voltage. So you have to remember these three equation. Student, if you have any problem in lecture 1 and lecture 2 about the auto transformer, please contact me. Thank you.